It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas on OhhSoPaige channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give a thumbs up for a like, and comment down below. It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. I know you guys have missed me and I know I missed a couple of days of Vlogmas, but your girl was sick, okay? I ate the wrong chicken and yeah, I kind of got food poisoning. My stomach is not even all the way together. Like, I'm still like feeling bad, but I don't want to neglect you guys for Vlogmas, so bear with me. I know I look ratchet. As you can see, my hair is still like, I put it in ponytail from my versus video. As you know, this side right here was the braid out, which is actually like really elongated, versus this side, which was twist out, which is like it looks shorter on that side, but it also has more body and volume, versus this side is long and like, I don't know. Y'all can, like I said, watch that video if you haven't and let me know which side you guys prefer. When it was down, I didn't take any good thumbnail pictures because your girl was feeling sick. So I probably look crazy in the thumbnail, but it is what it is. So today, I do apologize if it's like noisy because I'm next to my fridge and my fridge is not quiet. I don't know why. But anyway, today we're going to be making cauliflower fried rice. Like when you go to the Chinese restaurants or the Asian restaurants and you get chicken fried rice, shrimp fried rice, blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna do that with cauliflower. And I have HEB because it comes through in the clutch. I have from HEB some collar bits, some finely chopped cauliflower. Now they actually had like frozen already like rice cauliflower, and you could probably find rice cauliflower, but yeah, I already had this in the fridge, so I'm just gonna use what I have. And that's the same thing for this whole video. Like, I using what I have, so I'm definitely modifying the recipe. So I will put in the comments below like alternatives to the stuff that I use that you can use, like sesame oil and all that stuff. I didn't get no sesame oil because I'm not about to pay $7 for sesame oil when I got olive oil at the house, or I can just use whatever I have. Like, you can use alternatives, but obviously it's gonna taste a little bit different. I don't really like nutty taste anyway, so it's fine. But anyway, I have finely chopped cauliflower, so that's how it looks. And I think that's decent enough to look like rice. I might try to cut some of it up a little bit more, so I do have my knife, and I might cut up some a little bit more anyway. I also have frozen peas and carrots that I got from HEB when you guys shop with me, and I have that video linked in the comments below as well. I mean, in the description below as well, when we went shopping. So I also got the peas and carrots that I'm gonna put in there, and my onions, frozen onions, because they were just easier and cheaper than getting fresh cut onions. So that's really like all I need. I do have some soy sauce in the fridge, and I do have my olive oil, but they also said that instead of oil you can use 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm probably gonna use my butter instead, because butter just tastes better than oil. So we're probably gonna do that. So let me go ahead and finish getting out all my ingredients, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, also, I think that I'm going to steam these a little bit before I put them in the oven, because you know how broccoli and cauliflower are, like, they just be pretty tough unless you do like a good steam job to it. So I'm gonna steam this in the microwave for like probably a minute or two, and then we'll get started. All right, so I'm back. I hope this angle ain't stupid, because if it is, then oh well, because this is just how it's about to be for the next time being while I do this. So they said put it on medium to high heat, so I'm gonna put on like a 5 or a 6. And because I'm using butter, they said use 2 tablespoons of butter or oil. I think I'm probably gonna do both, only because I don't know, I just like to go above and beyond. We need all the fat. That's what keto is about, fat people. Not fat people, but like incorporate lots of fat into your meal. That did not sound right at all. So I'm gonna melt this down. You can do butter, you can do ghee or G-H-E-E, I don't know what that is, or you can do coconut oil or olive oil. So we're doing butter, and I'm just gonna let that melt. But like I said, I'm also going to incorporate some oil too. So, oh, excuse the boobs. I'm also going to incorporate some oil too. So it tells you to use like 12 ounces of cauliflower rice, but I'm just gonna use what I have. Like as far as the measurements go, it is what it is. Cauliflower smells so bad, y'all. It smells like poo-poo. Ugh, it smells so bad. Next, we're gonna add carrots and peas. So it says that for 2/3 of a cup is going to be about 7 grams of carbs. So measure your stuff out based on how much carbs you want. But I think what I got in here right now for my carrots and peas is enough. I don't think we need any more. I don't know if this was 2/3 of a cup or what. Could have been a little bit more. Then you want to also add your onion. And guys, I should have got green onions, but I didn't. So we're going to add the onions that we have in this. And the onions only has 4 grams of carbs in it. So, oh snap. That's not too bad. But you still don't want to go overboard or use too much. Ew, this is a bad carrot. Ew. So they say let this cook about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna let this sit up here and just cook for a minute. And I will be back. That's what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see, it has cooked down a little bit. I added some salt. I added some pepper. Also use some garlic powder. I use some real garlic powder. Use some seasoning salt. And that is it. So now we are about to add, I believe, egg into this. So you want to already have your egg beaten. So let me go ahead and get the egg out. We're gonna take some beaten egg. Shoot. And I actually think that I want one more egg, so I think I'm gonna do one more egg. And lastly, we're gonna add in soy sauce and the rest of the seasons we want, and we're pretty much done. I have a ramekin of soy sauce. Now, you know, you can finish this off with whatever you guys want. Chicken fried rice, shrimp fried rice, whatever type of fried rice you want. Well, fried cauli rice. So here it is right here. But I baked some chicken thighs the other day. So I'm just gonna chop up my chicken thighs and add it to it. Or maybe not, and just keep it as a regular side dish and just decide if I want to incorporate my chicken with it or just have my chicken and then the side of the cauliflower fried rice. But you guys, it tastes so good. Like I showed you what seasonings I used, and I added in soy sauce. Add in your soy sauce and stuff to your liking. Pretty much this how it looks. Bon appetit. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Now, like I said, it was alternatives to this recipe. Other stuff you could add. I didn't have green onions. I had white onions. So, there's stuff you could do. Also, the recipe said 1 egg. I used 2. Because I feel like I didn't see enough egg. I used a lot of salt. I used a lot of seasoned salt. Garlic powder is kind of strong, so I didn't use as much of that. Because I also have garlic pepper that I put in there as well. But yeah, this is good. I don't think I'm gonna plate it. I'm just gonna eat it. Well, I mean, I will plate it, but not on camera. I'm not gonna plate it on camera, but I think I'm just gonna chop up a chicken thigh and mix it in with this on a plate and eat it, y'all. This is good. This is good. This is helping me because I've been craving Panda Express. So since I can't have Panda Express, I can make my own Cauliflower Express, my own Keto Express. But that's it for this Vlogmas video. I'm gonna try to double upload. Hopefully I do another video after this. I plan on doing another video after this. It's gonna be with this face mask that I received from a PR package from Influencer. It's 24 karat gold with charcoal, and it's a peel off mask. So you gotta hear your face. So we gonna see how that's gonna go. So we are gonna try to do that. And you will see that in my next vlog after this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I really do appreciate all you guys for sticking with me, even though I missed a couple days of Vlogmas. But like I said, I was sick. And let me know in the comments if you guys want more recipes. I actually do enjoy cooking on camera. I actually cook more now that I do keto than I did before keto. Like, whatever. But anyway, let me know what else you guys want to see for Vlogmas. I do plan on going furniture shopping at IKEA for my apartment, so we will be doing that soon as well. And like I said, I got some plans with friends too. Some fun stuff with friends, so it won't just be me, but that's coming up. I was supposed to do it this weekend, but I got sick, so it is what it is. But bye, guys. Love yourself. A merry little Christmas.